Welcome back to Factful Finance, where we decode the secrets to making smart, informed financial moves. Today, we're diving into something that could completely revolutionize how you make money: AI in freelancing. But this isn't just any discussion. This is part 8 of our series on staying ahead of the curve. We're not talking about the future of AI in some far-off world. We're talking about today and how you can profit from it now. What if I told you that AI could not only save you hours of work, but also increase your earning potential exponentially? Imagine automating parts of your freelancing workflow and freeing up time for higher-level projects that pay you more. If you're wondering, but how? We're about to show you exactly that. This content is for educational purposes only. Mentioning any apps, products, or services is not an endorsement. Always consult a certified financial professional for personalized guidance. Let's break down the future of freelancing with AI and how to stay ahead. First off, let's talk about how AI is reshaping freelancing. Freelancing isn't what it used to be. With the rise of AI-powered tools, freelancers are gaining access to technology that was once reserved for large corporations. From content creation to data analysis, design work to coding, AI is making tasks faster, more efficient, and yes, more profitable. But this is the key. The freelancers who harness AI are the ones who will stand out in an increasingly competitive market. Let's take a look at 3 ways you can make money with AI right now. 1. AI-powered content creation. Liam, a freelance writer, used to spend hours brainstorming, drafting, and editing. But with AI-powered writing tools, he's slashed that time by over 60%. He now uses AI for initial drafts, which leaves him more time to focus on high-level strategy and client interaction. The result? More clients and higher rates for premium services. Takeaway: AI in content creation isn't about replacing human creativity, it's about enhancing it. Use tools like Jasper or Copy.A to get the creative juices flowing quickly, but focus on refining the content to add your personal touch. 2. AI in graphic design and video editing. Olivia, a freelance graphic designer, faced tight deadlines and creative blocks. Enter AI design assistants like Canva's AI tools and Runway ML. These tools provide smart suggestions, auto-edit photos, and even generate initial design concepts that Olivia can refine. The result? She spends less time on revisions and more time on high-paying custom projects. Takeaway: AI can serve as a collaborative assistant in the creative process, cutting down on mundane tasks while helping you deliver more in less time. 3. Automating admin tasks. Noah, a freelance web developer, was drowning in administrative work. Client invoicing, project tracking, and communication took up more time than coding itself. With AI-driven project management tools, like Trello's automation and Zapier integrations, Noah automates much of this workload, which allows him to focus on building websites and applications. In turn, he's been able to increase his hourly rate as he has more time to refine his skills. Takeaway: automating administrative tasks frees up hours in your day. Invest in AI tools that streamline project management and communications to boost productivity and maximize earnings. Now, here's a hard-hitting market trend you need to understand. According to McKinsey & Company, AI is expected to contribute an additional $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030. And freelancers are positioned to capture a significant chunk of that. The question is, will you be ready to capitalize on it? But here's the twist. It's not just about adopting AI, it's about staying ahead of the curve. Let's think of it like this. AI is a tool, not a crutch. Freelancers who adapt first will not only use AI to complete their work faster, but they will also redefine what high-level service looks like in their field. So, where do you start? Begin by assessing your current freelancing workflows. Where can you integrate AI tools to enhance your productivity? Whether it's generating ideas, automating your emails, or providing smarter data analysis for clients, the sooner you start, the faster you'll see results. The bottom line? AI is here to stay, and it's changing freelancing in ways we can't ignore. But like any tool, its value comes from how we use it. Stay agile, keep learning, and embrace the change that's coming your way. If this video helped you think bigger about your freelancing career, drop a comment below. What AI tools are you most excited to use? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want more insights on how AI can help you grow your wealth. And if you found this useful, you'll love the next video coming your way. Trust me, you'll want to be in the know for what's next. Until then, keep moving forward with those financial breakthroughs.